Hello, this is Mike with Clark County Plumbing. I am at job site address 713 C Street in Washougal. We are performing a video inspection to see the serviceability of the sewer lateral. We've gained access through a 3-inch cleanout in the basement next to the basement bathroom toilet. We've pushed out as far as we can push at approximately 122 feet. There's just a lot of friction right now, and this is as far as we can push. We're currently sitting in what appears to be 8-inch concrete, which would be the city's easement or lateral. The city does not take responsibility, though, unless there's a clean out at property line, which we didn't see any evidence of one. But this is the city's, they would call their lateral. So this will be a backwards inspection, so I will be pulling backwards from this point. Appears we just transitioned to 4-inch cast iron. Quite a bit of scaling buildup on the sides. Minor back-rated section here. Here's another tie-in at approximately 27 feet. Hard to tell if this is a party line or another connection on the house. I'm going to pause the video and do a locate on this. Okay, we've located this connection in the driveway on the west side of basically the front door. Looks like this is an old tie-in to the rain drains, which has been eliminated. So nothing to be concerned about here. Another back-graded section here at about 24 pretty major back-graded section here from the 7-foot mark to that 24-foot mark. You can see this is the connection to the stack that goes to the upstairs bathrooms, and quite a bit of standing pooling water here in this area. All right, we're back at the clean out in the bathroom, and this completes our inspection.